Dipped in chocolate vlogs are fire. Dipped in chocolate vlogs eat. Dipped in chocolate vlogs are the best. Period.
Follow Dipped in Chocolate on her socials.
Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video with Dipped in Chocolate. So you realize I'm a channel, and so this is what, part 3 or part 4, and I am now going to Walmart to get some grocery and also to get some stuff for the house, right? So let's go. So we're going to Walmart. So as I said, food items and house items. These flowers smell so good. Alright, so look and see. $1, $14. Not bad. I don't have the big price because I usually get. So guys, I am in the self-care section where you can get your razors, your nails, your shaving cream, everything. So I took up a coconut mixed with oatmeal nair because it smells good. So I took up that flavored nair, and now I am at the toothpaste section, and I did not read the type of Colgate that I bought. So apparently I bought the kids Colgate. I never did pay attention to that. I was just paying attention to the Colgate overall. So yeah, I bought that. I did not buy this Listerine. I was thinking about it, and then I started to look at the Listerine itself and the Crest, and I was just evaluating everything to see what's cheaper and what the mouthwash target. Like for example, I mouthwash that target the gums, the whatever, the tongue, whatever. So yeah, I was thinking about it. So I am now still at the oral hygiene section, moving over to the skincare section where the the roll arm, the lotions and moisturizers are at. I was thinking about the Jergens, but then I spot the Vaseline flavored, I think it's coconut. Man, this smells so good. I totally recommend, especially the girlies, to get this lotion. It leaves your body feeling so moisturized and nice. One thing a woman should definitely have is a pack of wipes. So I definitely got a pack of wipes because that's where it's at. Yeah. Then I moved over to the hand soap. I needed a hand soap for my bathroom, so I went ahead and got one. Well, I put two in the cart, but I actually got one because me can use soap differently from the hand soap, but I just wanted the hand soap, just to have something specific for my hands. I was looking at other things, so I definitely got a body scrub. And I was smelling some candles, because you see when you're in your bathroom and you shower and you lock off the lights, you turn on your candle, the candle are the only lights, and you have the scent of the candle and marinate in the room, is the best feeling. You feel so girly and everything. You feel so girly. So I got this body scrub in the flavor vanilla from Tree Hut. It is bomb. Like, it smells so good. It gives you this feminine smell that is just amazing. I am back over to this section. I forgot that I wanted bathing soap, so I was gonna get bathing soap and shower gel, but then I stick with just getting a pack of Harry Spring soap. So I think the pack comes with 8. I should have gotten the prices so that I could let you guys know what's up. I was just looking at this Suave body shower gel, but I did not get it. So I be putting things in the cart, but then after I think about it, and then I just put it back, because it doesn't make no sense me I buy so much something. Because this is like real time shopping. So this man now go around, no matter tell no what me do exactly and everything. So I am now going in the soap section, like washing soap and all of that. Over here is mainly like outside tools, like rake and them something there. So I end up not getting any of those. So guys, big up Kiki for putting me onto this. I don't know what name, but she said it smells good. So make the colors of the angle. Hey guys, I am back. So I definitely got some garbage bags because yeah, people for have garbage bags. Like if you don't have garbage bags, what are you doing? Where you put a garbage? Like in the bin like that? That's crazy. So I was thinking about getting eggs, but then I was like, should I? I was very skeptical like getting the eggs because I'm like, should I get the eggs? Do I eat eggs so much? Forget like about 12 eggs? Is it that serious? Then I did ended up not getting it on this trip, but I definitely got it on the next trip. But this trip I did not buy any eggs. I definitely got milk because I really wanted some cereals. So I got the milk and I got cereals. I don't know if you guys seen that, but I definitely got the cereals. Um, Look at me coming back with the orange juice. Guys, this orange juice that I got is called some like it's an orange juice, but it has some pulp in it. So I may never know what pulp mean. But it's when I taste it, I'ma taste like the orange, like when you eat orange, the fruit itself and the remaining other fruit in your mouth, and that the inner the thing like it not strain good, but that is what they said, some pulp. So I never know what that means. So look pa my cart. Lord God, me buy all icicle, me buy rice, me buy ketchup, me I buy some seasoning, yeah. Me buy oil, sugar. Did not buy any salt this time. I also bought vinegar. I bought rice. I'm telling somebody rice. I buy chicken. I buy shrimp. So, we never vlog everything, but we not see apartheid. Who can guess? Who can guess the total cost of everything that's in the cart? Comment down below. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So the total cost is $260.50. I think that is really reasonable. But me not go something late in JMD because trust me, I go feel the pain. I'm feeling that at over $40,000. So yeah. So guys, we brought the trolley up the elevator. So I'm gonna show you what I got, even though you guys saw what I got ish. And I'm going to be packing my fridge and the cupboards. So in this toothpaste, and then look something at the mirror, I like self-care stuff. Yeah. So stuff like these I'm going to be putting in the bathroom because the space in here is not really too big and I don't want to put too much things in the room. So this is a bra that I bought. I really wanted a black bra, like a plain black bra. I have a couple bras, black bras, but they're not plain. And I really wanted a plain, nothing too much type of bra. You understand? Yeah. It's a wipes. Human being and all, we should definitely have wipes because even when I was in the airport, I was on the escalator and I didn't even have any hand sanitizer. So every minute I had to be going to the bathroom and washing my hands because they know the germs or something was spread. So we got this Hawaiian sweet roll. I don't know exactly what we're gonna do with this. I don't see people. I don't know, but I never ate this before. But I definitely know that this will taste good with some cheese. So we have this big frosted flakes. I'm just gonna put them on the ground. And until I sort them out. Grab this right here. Rice. So that is a 5-spoon white rice. Mac and cheese, easy to go. Because when we're working, we don't really want to be, hustling for food. We can just undergo food. You understand? We bought this for a lunch. Even though we bought this Ipa grocery, we had to buy lunch because we had to buy dinner because I am jet lagged. Not because of the see me there, so but jet lag. And this video is made the same day that I arrived because I needed food and drinks in the house. So yeah. So we had to buy food because after I done the video, I'm gonna sleep. Sorry. We bought some utensils because even I don't think the accommodation comes with utensils, so better safe than sorry, right? Pepsi, I definitely needed Pepsi because girl, I don't know who can drink like me. Cranberry good for the girl and body. Ladies, y'all need to be drinking up your cranberry juice. Real cranberry juice at that, not look up pion. Alrighty. So I wonder if, you know what, I'm just going to put the shrimp in this because I don't really want the shrimp because we're down in that big fridge. Mayonnaise don't have to be refrigerated. So we have, I'm just gonna put the seasonings in this little part. I'm just gonna show you guys now, but it's my little mini fridge and that we're working right now. I tried my best not to, you know what, let me get my microphone. Yes, I'm with my microphone now. I hope you guys can hear me better. So I tried my best not to get too many things that I have to get refrigerated or have to be refrigerated. So we have the cheese right here. Guys, I feel like my hair is gonna be a problem in the future because the stuff that is used to give the curls, every minute me I see them everywhere. So grape. Alright, so I got these got these utensils also because I don't necessarily want to use anybody else's because child, that's not a good style. So I have my own and I can bring them back to Jamaica and I'm ready for go back on my yard. The truth or false? True. Alright, so I have more seasonings. I just hope so everything can hold here. So alright, you sit down on the bottom. Oh yes, girl. Yes. Who should look me sit in a way so they can see what I'm going. Let me sit y'all. I think this is a pack of 12. So so we're gonna have that until we leave. Also this, we're gonna have this until we leave, definitely. So I think these are good buys, very good buys. Say one thing about me, I love scents. You understand? I love scents, so I made sure I, you know, got this Hawaiian breeze. Um, this breeze. Order fighting, everlasting. Or spray, the bleach after that because when you have a tele because I just bleach and this is the saffron. This this doesn't have a lot of stuff in it, but it is very impactful. So it going to last a good little time. You understand? One thing that we really really needed was with couple garbage bag. This is the small one, but definitely it has 12 bins, 13. No, sorry, it has 20 bags. So yep. And last but not least, Alfredo sauce. When the girls start cook up our food them and show no, I don't know what time it is, right? And no, the last thing is this rug. This rug. Let me bring it up here, so. Woo. The last thing is this rug. The bathroom does not have a rug, so I definitely had to definitely I forget this rug. So I'm gonna put this small one in the bathroom and this in the middle of the bedroom. But on a soon see when time we fix up the place and make the place into a home, right? So I'm gonna pack up and then show you how I'm pack up the stuff them. All right? Yep. Hi guys, so today I'll be cooking a shrimp Alfredo pasta. This is my second time doing it, but this time I have the full ingredients. I should have brought my mic, but I did not bring it, so I hope you guys are hearing me clearly. So the seasonings that I will be using are garlic, scallion, onion, and tomato. Those are the raw seasonings, and I definitely have to use my Maggi season of all-purpose, and I will be using some of the Maggi jerk seasoning. As Jamaicans, I don't know why we always do it, but we always put jerk seasoning in everything. It does give it extra spice, especially if you don't have any pepper. So jerk seasonings usually come with pepper, so yeah. So I'll be using 2 garlic. Them garlic are big enough. I'm using the garlic are so big. Garlic are big, so now try and mince them up as fine as possible. So I learned this little technique. It not really works for me though, but I learned it. I'm not a top chef, guys, so this is my method of cooking it. So you guys can use your method in the comment section down below, but as for me, this is my method. Yeah, I really wanted curry chicken, but pasta I need right now. Pasta time. I'm gonna mince up the scallions. And I'm just gonna leave the raw seasonings on this cutting board so that so that I will have easy access to them. that is all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.